So hello folks, welcome again to Diecast Work. We have a wonderful model today to unbox and unveil, and if you are a car enthusiast, you must have make out the brand from which it's coming. It's a 1967 limited edition model straight from the house of Mercedes Benz, and 1967 is the year when AMG was actually founded by Mercedes Benz, and this scale model 1:18 scale model is also limited to that number, symbolizing the foundation year. So let's get started. Here, before we get into the box and with the model, let's just have a brief look at the actual box that we have in here. We have Mercedes AMG S63 written over here. Here we have the whole licensing and other details. Made in Hong Kong. It's the Mercedes hologram. Mercedes AMG S63 1:18 model. Not for children under 14 years. General instruction. Alright. We have the car in the flesh, completely unscrewed. This is the 2019 model of the car, S63 AMG Sedan, and looks really stunning, especially the black treatment that they have given all over the car. The alloy wheels are blackened. The front bumper, these elements are blackened. Even the rear section, you can see that's also blacked out. It gives a very good feel to it. S63 mentioned here. Mercedes logo, AMG. So this is a very powerful engine. It's a 4-liter V8 churning out 603 brake horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. It's a 4-liter V8, also mentioned here in very small letters, bi-turbo V8. I'll just upload the pics for better understanding. The front doors are completely transparent, and the rear doors are tinted. So is the dual pane sunroof. If you look at the glass area of the whole car, it's not actually plastic or actual glass. It's actually a film, a plastic film. So it's very flimsy. As you can see, if I press over here, it just bends a bit. The car is crafted in the best manner possible. It's a resin car, so it's a sealed model. There is not a single part that you can open up. As you can see, this is AMG badging everywhere on the alloy wheels, all the 4 alloy wheels. GT Spirit has done a very good job in bringing out the branding of the car. Very well done. Even in the tiniest areas, even the brake calipers, they have the AMG branding. Looks good. The carbon fiber element is also supremely done. Here in the front bumper area, you have the carbon fiber element. Again, you have in the mirrors, side view mirrors. Even in the rear bumper, we have the carbon fiber element, which looks really well. So the detailing is done, even in the interiors, it's done really well. Unfortunately, this is a resin model, as I mentioned earlier, so not a single part can be opened. I would have loved if the rear section was transparent, because it's a model car, so we can have a better look at the interior. In fact, GT Spirit has done a wonderful job in the interiors. It's so well and so nicely done, but unfortunately it's not so visible to the naked eye because of the tinted film. So we as a car collector would like the rear section also to be transparent, because here I'll upload in my pictures and it will be very visible to you. They have done a wonderful job. You can see the infotainment screen, you can see the rear buttons, the whole interior is also done supremely well. So here we have the ADAS system, the radar system. The chrome treatment is also well. This looks like a good quality chrome, and I believe it will last for many years. And underneath the car, the branding is there, AMG, and this is a limited edition car, 907 of the 1967 models that GT Spirit is going to produce. V8 bi-turbo, beautifully done. The Mercedes logo is also of a very good quality. It is a composite metal. It looks like, it feels like a composite metal. Very sturdy, not that delicate. Nicely done. Front section, the whole. I'll just show you the front section once again. The headlamps, the intricate details in the headlamps, 3 LED strips. Attention to detail is top notch. So if you ask me how do I rate the car, so I would definitely give it a strong 9.5. The point that I have deducted is mainly because obviously not a single part can be opened. You cannot open the doors, you cannot open the hood, the boot, nothing can be opened, but the detailing is done supremely well. The tires, they don't move, they move very little. There is very little movement, and obviously there is no suspension movement since this is a resin model. Now we have its sister along with us, which I bought from Mercedes Benz official website. It is the S63 Cabriolet, which I had already uploaded in my earlier videos. The unboxing video is already there, so which also looks really well. When they are both put together, they look stunning, don't they? And this is also a GT Spirit model, again limited to 1967. The detailing here also is superbly done. I will leave the judgment for you. Which one do you like more, the sedan or the Cabriolet? But to my understanding, they look both stunning in their own league. Wow. Thank you for watching. Ciao. And do share this video with your car enthusiast friends. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading more wonderful models, and there's definitely a good lineup of models that I'm sure you must be interested to watch. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye. Ciao.